Stick your tongue out. Do the peace sign. Hello YouTube, welcome back. I got my pretty little niecey right here. Her so cute and little. So today we're gonna be decorating her room. She got some posters. She got some stuff behind her door. That's cute. I'll put y'all right here because it's some light coming through the window. So yeah, it's time to start decorating. He's almost ready. So, I guess I can start with hanging up this poster I got her. She picked it out. I was on video call with her. Focus. I don't know where to hang it up at though. Where should we hang this poster up?
Can I see which one is it? Okay, I really got one. Do I have my other posters?
Where should I put it, sister?
Maybe like
put it up here somewhere. The dream catcher that I got her.
What is this?
That's stores.
For what?
That glow in the dark. We got some pink glow in the dark stores.
Can I see?
It has to be like nighttime. We'll put them on your ceiling.
Can you lift me up so I can see? Yeah.
Hi! My niecey poo. No, they're so cute. They're so cute. So this is just a little overview. We got heart stickers, a little, I don't know what this is. We got a little plant, lashes.
Okay, that's my house.
So yeah, we're decorating her room.
Okay, I think you're done with.
I don't know why this camera ain't focused.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at my purse. Ooh, so cute, so cute. Ooh. What's in my bag? What's in my bag? Nothing.
Yes.
Who got you this?
Nobody.
Your mama?
No. Nobody bought me it. It just stayed in my room.
Okay, so far we just have this little thing right here. We gotta clean this stuff up and hang that up. And my camera about to die already. I only bought one extra battery. It's just like a little heart thing. It reminds me of the Powerpuff Girls. Finished her sign. It says no boys allowed. Get out. Get out of Amir's room.
I got my
her lights. Oops. Her lights and her curtains. We got her poster. We got this up, and there's lights that go right there too, but I'm not gonna turn them on. It's the same lights as these. We changed her dream catcher and put it right there with her other one. So that's pretty much what we got right now. What's it say?
No boys allowed.
No boys allowed.
So people.
We got that. Look how pretty.
Wait! I need my spoonie for the ice cream. Mom's gonna take away my spoon, but she's not. They had this at the store opened, and it was like this.
Whee! My baby. My baby.
It looks like that I'm just growing up.
You are growing up, but you're still my baby. My baby. My baby. So your tongue out. Do the peace sign.
I'm tripping.
Oh, you tripping. You tripping.
I said slipping.
Look how pretty her is.
Can I hold it?
It won't focus.
Can I hold it?
Don't break it. Now we just have to put the stars on the ceiling.
Wait, can I help?
You can't touch the ceiling, sister.
Yes, I can.
Okay, update, because I can't leave my camera on the whole time I'm doing it because I only brought one extra battery. My other battery already died, so I don't know if I showed y'all. But update, I put the little heart mirror type thing right here. The sign next to the no boys allowed. And I put the heart stickers all down and across the window. She's playing with Play-Doh. So basically all we have to do is put the shelf up, put the stuff on the shelf, put the bed canopy up, and then put the thing for her stuffed animals to go on. So yeah, that's what I got going on right now. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do, but yeah. that's what I got going on right now. I'll give y'all an update in a little bit. Sorry, I would show y'all me doing it, but I have to make sure my camera don't die. Okay?
Hey, take a show me.
Cheese! Oh.
Can I see?